Hi guys, we're going to do behind the scenes making fidget board, but my mom's phone's about to die, so don't mind if it hangs up. Don't mind that noise. I was playing in it too just now. So I have my cardboard. I don't know what to do. So where are my mechanical pencils? I was gonna use one and take out all the lead and throw it away. So let me get a pencil. I'm going to use purple since it's my favorite color. Comment your favorite color in the comments section. I will make sure to turn them on, don't worry. Okay. So can you see me? Yeah. So there's a mirror and it's just really weird. So I have a mechanical pencil. Don't mind what I'm doing. So I'm going to put you guys with a hairspray bottle. Okay. So you can see me, right? I'm gonna take out all the lead so it's more satisfying. You wanna listen? So satisfying. I'll also take out the other piece if there is any. I take out the eraser. Oh. Well, I took out the mechanical pencil. Now I'm left. What should I do with the backup lead? Also, comment in the comment section what I should do with that. Ah! My God, it's so skinny, I don't want it to break. Okay. Success has come our way. We did not break any of them. My God, why did it just get dimmer? So we have this. Listen. My God, sorry for the music. You know, right? Then, oh my God. Then I don't have anything from Fufu Squishy or whatever that website is, but I do have slime. It's double-sided. So, sorry guys. Like, maybe I could do this and just, like, put it in a cup. Oh my God. So I can flip it around. Oh, you know what? I'm not going to use this because it's double-sided and I thought I could just glue it on the other side, but no. Plus it smells weird. So I have this, it's from Pine Coat. I just don't. Okay, so I'll show you what it feels like. Sorry, I have to go set it down because I'm one-handed right now. So, can you guys see me? Yep, you can. So this is the, if you open it, it's like sand. It feels like sand when you barely play with it, but then it's stretchy. I know, it's weird. Okay, let me just, my God, can't take it out. Okay, there. See, watch this. It's just sand, and it's getting all over my hands. But when you stretch it, it's not just an ordinary sand. Mariana cross, and you go down just like Holy Mary. Got in the sink. No, I'm gonna wash it. Don't mind if you guys move. What happens if you get it? Oh, if you get it wet, it completely dissolves. You want to see? So it's not even on my hands anymore. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on my board, so I can just take it out and go like. But I gotta remove the other plastic that's still on it. It's been bothering me. Okay. Oh God, it's everywhere. Okay, I'm keeping this in the box next time I play with it. Okay, I feel like it's almost gonna hang up, but whatever. And you know what I mean by hang up like in the video because my mom's phone's gonna die. Because this is not my phone. Just so you know. Where's the mechanical pencil? So I'm gonna gather everything right there. And what else should I use? Oh my god, bro. I'm playing the game. Okay, pause. I'm gonna play my game. What am I? You okay? Are you okay? Oh my god, bro. I'm innocent. Who's a murderer? Here. Here. You would just go right here. Bro! Wait, also, they changed the MM2 sound. It's not oof anymore. It's not, what's the sound? Well, it's oof. It's now. It's not the other sound. It's not, it's ooh. I know, right? It's weird. Like that. Okay, what else? So I have something that I can use maybe. And don't mind what it's from. I got this when I was way, 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 way younger. Mega. It's a rainbow corn Zubu. Let me take all this stuff out first. And to wash all the hair out. That's not dirty. For you guys. Also, if you're watching this, thank you for the support. Because I rarely almost get any views. Except for that one video that is going blowing up viral. So, here we have this thing. Then we can open. So it's going to be ASMR later, so you won't have to hear this all talking. Okay, let's go put this in our pile. Oh, okay, I'll have to go get Q-tips. I don't really think you guys can see this, so. Okay, so. Oh yeah, guys, I will be right back. And then tell me what I get or something. Like, I'll put you guys up there. You know what? No, up here. And then you guys can see there's a murderer. Hey, go, guys. It's blurry. Let's hope you guys can see this. Now I'm gonna zoom in. Is it upside down to you guys? Can you see? Is it good? Okay, guys. Tell me if it's good. Okay, here.
Delivers a rainbow to the end zone, and it's too far for Coleman. Buffalo has to settle for a field goal attempt, Stingley with the coverage as the drive stalls.
But what did Josh Allen tell us? Garrett Stingley is obviously their best corner. All things seem to be equal. We want to attack him before Kamari Lassiter, but we won't shy away from it. The rookie Keon Coleman tries. Stingley early. Stingley's been playing at an all-pro, Pro Bowl level since about mid-season last year.
Okay, sorry guys. The wait. Where am I? Okay, I'm murderer, but I got these, and I also got some Q-tips. But my mom has to go, so.